Hello friends, I'm Adidev. Today I'm going to talk about the Indian Union Territory, Lakshadweep. What do you mean Lakshadweep? It is a union territory in India, a coral island located in Arabian Sea. Old name was Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Amindivi Islands. Union Territory of India, Lakshadweep means 100,000 islands in Malayalam and Sanskrit. Capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. Ethnic groups of Lakshadweep are Malayali people, Mahal people. Now we're going to talk about the dance forms of Lakshadweep. Dance forms of Lakshadweep are Kolkaki dance, Parichikali dance, and Lava dance. Now we're going to talk about the languages of Lakshadweep. Languages of Lakshadweep are Malayalam, English, Jaisri, Divehi, and English. Now we're going to talk about the religions of Lakshadweep. Islam is majority in Lakshadweep. Hinduism is minority in Lakshadweep. Christianity is minority in Lakshadweep. Sikhism is minority in Lakshadweep. Now we're going to talk about the culture of Lakshadweep. Kolkali and Parichikali are the two popular folk art forms in the territory. There are an integral part of culture milieu except in Minicoy, where lava is the most popular dance form. Some of the folk dances have a resemblance with those in northeastern India. For marriage, Oppanna is a common feature of song sung by a lead singer and followed by a group of women. Picnics are a common leisure activity in Minicoy. The most widely celebrated festivals are Independence Day and Republic Day, Milad ul Nabi, Eid ul Fitr, Bakrid, and Muharram in that order. Interestingly, Independence Day and Republic Day are celebrated 4 days and religious fervor. Festivals of Lakshadweep are Muharram, Bakrid, Eid, Milad ul Nabi, Eid ul Fitr. Now we're going to talk about the foods. What were there in Lakshadweep? Octopus fry, mus kebab, fish tikka, fish pakoda, masu podichat. Now we're going to talk about flora and fauna of Lakshadweep. The flora of islands include banana, vara, colocasia, chambo, drumstick, moringakai, breadfruit, chakka, wild almond are grown which are grown extensively. The commonly seen vertebrates are cattle and poultry. Oceanic birds generally found in Lakshadweep are taratasi and karifetu. They are generally found in one of uninhabited islands known as Pitti. This island has been declared as a bird sanctuary. Now I'm going to talk about official bird and animal of Lakshadweep. The official animal is black-wedge butterfish. Lakshadweep official bird is scooty. Now we got to talk about the history of Lakshadweep, ancient history. One of the earliest references to this region is by the anonymous author in the Periplus of Mediterranean Sea. There are references to the control of the islands by the Cheras in Sangam Tripattu. Local traditions and legends attribute the first settlement of these islands to the period of Cheraman Perumal, the last Chera king of Kerala. The oldest inhabited islands in the group are Amini, Kalpani, Androd, Kavaratti, and Agatti. Buddhist and Islamic influences. Archaeological evidence suggests that Buddhism prevailed in the region during the 5th and 6th centuries. CE. The local legend attributes the history of Islam here to the legend of Cheraman Perumal, the last Chera king of Kerala who left for pilgrimage from the island of Darmadon near Kannur to Mecca. However, the legend is not substantiated according to the popular tradition. Islam was brought to the Lakshadweep by Ubaydullah Ullah in 661 CE. His grave is located on the island of Androt. Modern period. In the 16th century, the Portuguese ruled the seas between Ormuz and Malabar coast and south to Ceylon. As early as 1498, when Vasco da Gama arrived at Kozhikode during the Age of Discovery, they took control of archipelago called Lacu Divas by them. Later on, the exploit coir production until the islanders expelled them in 1545. In the mid 16th century, all inhabited islands of Lakshadweep were conferred as Jagir on the ruling family of Kannur kingdom by the Chirakal or Kollakiri Raja in order to grant protection from the Portuguese. The Arakkal kingdom had jurisdiction over Laccadive and Amindivi groups of islands in addition to the city of Kannur. The islands are also mentioned in great detail in the stories of the Arab traveler Ibn Battuta. Around 1720, islands were kept in check by the Maratha military as Maratha Navy grew major player in reign under legendary Maratha Admiral Kanhoji Angre. The mini group of islands came under the rule of Tipu Sultan in 1787. They passed to the British control after the Third Anglo-Mysore War and were attached to Kasargod Taluk of South Kannada. The rest of islands remain under suzerainty of the Arakkal family of Kannur in return for a payment of annual tribute. The British took over the administration of those islands for non-payment of arrears. These islands were attached to the Malabar district of Madras Presidency during the British Raj. Later, it was placed under Kozhikode Taluk. Now we're going to talk about the Lakshadweep after independence. On 1st November 1956, during the reorganization of Indian states, the Lakshadweep Islands were separated from Malabar district and organized into a separate union territory for administrative purposes. The new territory was called Laccadive, Minicoy and Admini Islands before adopting the Lakshadweep name on 1st November 1973. The headquarters of the new union territory remained at Kozhikode for nearly a decade until 1964. In 1964, the seat of administrator of the islands was shifted to Kavaratti to safeguard India's vital shipping lanes to the Middle East and the growing relevance of the islands in the security considerations. An Indian Navy base, INS D. Prakash Shak was commissioned on Kavaratti Island. Now we're going to talk about the monument of Lakshadweep. Mohiuddin Mosque is the prime attraction of Lakshadweep and is situated in Agatti Island of Lakshadweep. Thank you and have a wonderful day.